This story happened around the early 90s in Fresno, California. When I was about 5 years old, my family had moved into what is known as Asian Village or Kingswood. Now it's under a different name. There was always rumors of ghost stories floating around from the neighbors and the kids around the apartment complex. One night I was awoke from unknown reason. The moon was lighting through the bedroom window. I saw these bumps, about 2 feet high. At first, I thought it was just my sibling knee bent, but it was moving around under the sheet at free will, to the end of the bed, to the stomach, and the chest area. I was frozen with fear. My stomach was turning inside. There was multiple bumps. They were like even playing with each other. I could see their action from my view, colliding with each other, and the sound of it falling off the bed, running across the bedroom to the end corner closet. They would then run back and play under the blanket. This went on for like 5 minutes. I was so scared that it would pop out where my sibling hid it or rested, and I would have to see it. During this whole ordeal, I was frozen. I couldn't move, like a spell was cast onto me. After I stopped seeing these beings, I was finally able to turn and cover myself under the blanket. The next morning, I told all my siblings what happened, and days after that, they started to see and feel this creature being in our home. What do you guys think it was? The older folks would say, Minya Bonzong, but I think it was a duende.